The Intel Core i7-7700T is an impressive piece of technology, standing out as one of the best energy-efficient processors available for your PC build. This quad-core processor, part of Intel's 7th generation Kaby Lake family, operates at a base clock speed of 2.90 GHz, making it a powerhouse for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. With 4 cores and a total of 8 threads, thanks to Intel's hyper-threading technology, the i7-7700T excels in multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications smoothly without experiencing any slowdowns. The 1MB L2 cache and 8MB L3 cache ensure quick data access, further enhancing the performance and responsiveness of your system. One of the standout features of the i7-7700T is its energy efficiency. With a thermal design power (TDP) of just 35 watts, this processor is perfect for those looking to build a quiet and cool system. Despite its lower power consumption, it does not compromise on performance, delivering the same robust capabilities you would expect from a higher wattage processor. The socket H4 LGA1151 compatibility makes the i7-7700T a versatile choice for many motherboards, providing flexibility in upgrading or building your PC. This compatibility ensures that you can pair it with a wide range of motherboards, making your build process much smoother. In terms of integrated graphics, the i7-7700T comes with Intel HD Graphics 630. This integrated GPU is more than capable of handling everyday graphics needs, from video playback to casual gaming. For more demanding gaming or professional graphic work, pairing the i7-7700T with a dedicated graphics card will elevate your system's performance even further. This processor is also notable for its advanced features, such as support for Intel Optane memory, which significantly improves data retrieval speeds and overall system responsiveness. Additionally, Intel's Turbo Boost technology allows the i7-7700T to dynamically increase its clock speed up to 3.8 GHz when extra performance is needed, providing a seamless and efficient computing experience. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading an existing one, the Intel Core i7-7700T offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Its impressive performance, energy efficiency, and advanced features make it an excellent choice for both casual users and professionals alike. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful processor that won't break the bank or overheat your system, the i7-7700T is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.